In this video, I'm going to talk about what the channel is all about, who it's for, and who it's not for. So if you're an ambitious professional, but you feel stuck, you feel quietly misaligned, or you feel that there's just a blockage in terms of where you want to go, this is the channel for you. So my name is Gary Daly. I work for a large Fortune 500 company in sales. I'm also an author of a book called Built by Lessons, and I'm an IFC accredited coach. And I've worked in tech sales now for 15 plus years. I've lived in several different countries. I've also won a global pitching competition, and I've invested heavily in myself, not because I have it all figured out, because I'm on that journey of self exploration. And I'm in a season of my life now where I approach 40 in August, and I feel like I need to actually give back and share some of these lessons. So if you are an ambitious professional, but like I said, you're feeling quietly misaligned, this is what the channel is going to be about. So I believe that you have all the answers already. You just need a quiet, calm place to be able to sort of listen to your thoughts and listen to other people who've maybe been on that journey that you're not on yet, so that you can benefit from that, so that you can find that clarity, find that direction, find that confidence with your life. I'm not a guru, far from it. And this is definitely not a channel for someone who just wants all of the answers, someone who sort of doesn't want to learn, or someone who's essentially just lazy. It really is for those ambitious professionals, because I don't believe that people are broken. I just believe that you just need that bit of guidance. And the channel really is going to be my reflections. Some of it will be from the book Built by Lessons, and others will just be thoughts from the week as an example. And it's really here just to sort of spark ideas for you in terms of, once again, your health, wealth, love, and fulfillment goals. Many topics on public speaking, the type of environment that you work in, obviously the people that you surround yourself with, your fitness goals, your health goals, because I believe holistically in all of this. You can't just focus in sort of one area. All of the areas need to have some sort of an alignment. And really, like I said, this is not going to be theory, because I'm a father, I'm a husband, and I do work in a demanding corporate environment. So it will be real world. And all of it's going to be based on that journey from working in a startup in Australia that went into bankruptcy, where I essentially fell flat in my face, to actually sort of picking myself up, moving to the UK and London, and having a blank canvas for all of my different goals. And I want to share the lessons from my destiny helpers, as I call them, or other people will call them mentors. And this is all in my book, Built by Lessons. And I believe that they shouldn't be kept secret, right? I should share those with you, because we have to pass these lessons on. So if you also want one-to-one coaching, there's going to be a place for that on my website, which is going to be below. So I'm obviously going to have this YouTube channel where I'm going to share content on a weekly basis, as well as a Twitter account as well, where I'll sort of just share water cooler conversations, as they say. And this channel is all around helping you build your future self now, and building one lesson at a time. So I can't wait to get started with you. Hit subscribe below, and we'll speak soon.